Discover the strengths and limitations of plastic and cardstock LOTO tags in today's safety-focused comparison. We're breaking down these tags based on material, durability, cost-effectiveness, applications, and safety standards. Plastic tags are the champions of durability. Usually made from rigid PVC, they resist moisture, grease, and extreme temperatures, ensuring legibility for years. In contrast, cardstock tags are made of thick and more durable paperboard. These tags can be laminated for extra durability. If budget is your main concern, cardstock tags are your best bet. They're more cost-effective for situations where durability isn't a priority. As for safety, plastic LOTO tags generally meet more stringent safety requirements, including OSHA's pull strength standards, ensuring a higher level of compliance. Cardstock LOTO tags, on the other hand, falls behind on meeting OSHA's pull strength standards, limiting their use to warning or identification purposes only. Plastic tags are best for outdoor machinery, chemical plants, and extreme conditions. They last longer without fading or tearing. On the other hand, cardstock tags are your go-to for indoor lockout procedures, office equipment, and short-term tasks, especially where budgets are tight. There you have it, the key differences between plastic and cardstock LOTO tags. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Stay tuned for more practical safety insights.